Good morning, everyone. My dear students, today our topic of discussion is physical education and sports for CWSN, children with special needs. So, CWSN stands for Children with Special Needs. Also, we call them Divyang. This is our chapter number 4, and we will learn about all sort of a branch of physical education which is specially made and designed for the CWSN. The branch of physical education deals with CWSN is called adaptive physical education. So here it is a branch of physical education. And this branch, adaptive physical education, is specially made for this CWSN. Here we should know that adapt means to adjust or to fit modifications to meet the needs of students having disabilities. It is an individualized program. Which one? The adaptive physical education is nothing but it is an individualized program, and this is specially designed or individualized for the people with disabilities. So what kind of principle we should adopt while making this adaptive physical education? As we know that adaptive physical education is especially designed for the people with special needs. So these all principle we should adopt, and we should keep these all points in our mind, that it should be limited. That means, suppose we are making physical education program or designing any physical education program for a people who is not having any kind of physical or mental or any problem, so we will not go for any limitation. But suppose this is Ram, and Ram is having visual impairment, means he is not able to see. So whatever the program, physical education program we will design, what we will do? We will make it limited so that Ram can enjoy this program. Clear? The second one, it should be need based. Suppose a person, Syam, is here. Syam is having some kind of physical problem in his right or left leg. So this is the need of this particular Syam, Divyang, and the program which we will provide to Syam, that should be need base of this Syam. Also, we should always keep these all things in the mind, that all-rounded program must be designed, and it should be physical, mental, emotional, means all kind of requirements should be fulfilled by the adaptive physical education. The person is having disability, visual impairment, not able to see, must be checked medically before making this adaptive physical education for this person Ram. The physical education teacher must have a talk with the medical staff who is giving medical support to this person, and then only we should design the program. We should not take it very easily. Whatever the program we make for the Divyang or CWSN, it must have a full of commitment that it would fulfill the requirement of Syam or Ram. And finally, it should have a very good or wide range. If the range of the program would be very controlled and in narrow mindset, it would not fulfill the requirement of that person. So here we have seen that what kind of principles we should keep in our mind before making ready the program for the Divyang or CWSN. How it is important for the Divyang or CWSN? First of all, it improves the physical status of the person. How it can enhance the physical status of the person? As they participate in adaptive physical education, not only they participate mentally, but they also participate physically. Sometimes it happens that the person is having visual impairment or any problem in listening. Due to that only they don't participate in physical activities, and finally it leads to or brings them to the problem related with the physical status of the person. So if they will participate or they participate in that kind of program designed, especially designed for them, they get the physical improvement, their physical status goes up. The second one is mental improvement. A person is playing football with someone. Here he will dodge the ball from one place to another place. So what will happen? The reasoning or the psychological improvement will be there to take the decision. So here we can say not only physically the person will be improved, but mental improvement will also be there. The third one is, if a person is participating in physical activities, we can see the positive changes in the behavior of that person, because so many students or the people will come to play the match, and there they will observe the physical status, mental status and behavioral status of each one. And in such a way you will see that the person is participating in a physical activities, they all are influencing behaviorally to each other, and in such a way the physical, mental and behavioral improvement would also be there. So in such a way we can see that how the adaptive physical education is important for this CWSN or Divyang. So today in this lecture we could know that what is adaptive physical education, what is CWSN, what are the need of CWSN, and what kind of principle we should adopt before making any physical design program for them. So I hope this lecture would help you to understand the chapter number 4. After listening this lecture, my dear students, please go to the chapter number 4 and please try to learn once or twice this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.